everyone, welcome to the Tech House channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about the recent leaks of the image of OnePlus 9 Pro. As usual, OnePlus phones are the most awaited smartphone of the year. The successor of OnePlus 8 Pro, that is OnePlus 9 Pro, is right around the corner to be launched. So we will be talking about these phones. The recent leaked image of OnePlus 9 Pro make us clear that it is going to have quad camera setup at the back as the last year's OnePlus phone. In this image we can clearly see that the OnePlus 9 Pro will have curved display as OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus will continue its legacy of high refresh rate display. It means OnePlus 9 Pro will have 120Hz of high refresh rate display. OnePlus 9 Pro will have glossy back as OnePlus 8 Pro has. Also, it will come with new color. These are the some information about the recent leaked image of OnePlus 9 Pro. If you would like to know more about unreleased smartphone, make sure to subscribe to us and press the bell icon. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.